Hey everyone, so today I'm taking a quick look and unboxing of the 26,800 milliamp PowerCore Plus with power delivery, or PD for short, from Anker. So this is a bit of a beast. This is one of the largest power banks that they offer, that Anker offers. And it uses USB-C power delivery. So what that means is it adheres to the USB-C power delivery standard, and it should charge devices quite quickly. Now on their website it claims that it can charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro, the smaller one obviously, and it can charge that once with this power bank. So that's pretty hefty for this to be able to charge a laptop. And it can also charge, an iPhone 9 times, and it should do it quite quickly. So let's get this thing open first. So I'll get some scissors to cut open this glossy film they've got on it. There we go. Off comes the film. Alright, so it opens at the bottom here. Okay, Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. Fast charging, 20+ million happy users. Thanks for choosing Anker. Okay, so here it is. It is very, very big. Much bigger than I anticipated. Gonna take off this plastic cover. Okay, and here it is. This is the Anker 26,800 milliamp hour PowerCore Plus. It does have USB-C, so the rightmost port is USB-C, and that is the one you use to charge the battery. And also, if you want to use the power delivery spec, you have to use that port as well. And these two are your regular USB-A ports. This thing is quite heavy. It comes in one color only, so black only. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a welcome guide, and a pouch. So obviously you can store this in the pouch. It comes with a USB-C to C cable, and also a regular USB-A to USB micro cable. I wish they gave me more USB-C cables, but oh well. Now this particular package also comes with a charging brick. Alright, there it is. So it has a charging brick as well. I think it's like a quick charging brick, and you can probably use this charging brick to charge your actual battery or to charge your other devices as well. So it's nice. It folds up like so. It's got Anker branding on it. Folds like this, and then it's got one USB-C port down here to charge your devices. This can provide 5 volt 3 amps or 9 volt 3 amps, 15 volt 2 amps, or 20 volt at 1.5 amps. So yes, this will do quick charging, so you can use this to quickly charge up the power bank as well. Okay, so while I have this thing here, let's see if we can charge my phone. The most simple option, obviously. So I'm gonna plug in this USB-C cable down here, and the instructions say I have to press this button first. So it's barely charged, there's not much charge left, but let's take a look. I have a Pixel 3 here, and it's on 31%, so it's fairly flat. Let's see what happens if I plug this in. It says charging rapidly. Okay, so that's pretty good. So that means you can do rapid charging with this power bank, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it for the first look and unboxing of this massive Anker power bank, and hope this was useful, and thanks for watching.